ExactFlat for Rhino.
The license manager is best thought of as a passport. You must send TryD your license so we can update it. We will then return the updated license to you. Run the License Manager tool by clicking the certificate icon on the toolbar. This window contains the license number, a unique number assigned to you by TryD, the version number, the type, which will indicate if the license is a trial or unrestricted, the status, indicating if the program is registered, and the expiration date. The three buttons below are Copy to Clipboard, which will copy your license to the Windows clipboard, Paste from Clipboard, which will paste the contents of the Windows clipboard to the license key text area and attempt to apply it as a license. Apply License will attempt to apply the contents of the license key text area as a license. To activate your license, simply copy the license number into your clipboard and email the license number to your contact at TryD.